Hey everyone, if you're new to Grok AI and want to get the most out of it, today I'll show you some tips and tricks beginners can use to work faster and smarter. First, always start with clear and specific prompts. Uh, the more detail you give, the better Grok AI can understand and give accurate answers. Ask for step-by-step explanations when learning new topics or solving problems. For example, explain how to solve this math problem step by step. Prompts that request examples work really well, like give 3 examples of marketing strategies for small businesses. Examples make answers actionable. Don't stop at the first answer. Refine prompts or ask follow-up questions to get more detailed or tailored results. Try different prompt styles, questions, comparisons, or explain like I'm 5. Experimenting helps you discover which approach works best for your needs. Finally, save your favorite prompts and outputs. This keeps your workflow organized and lets you reuse useful answers anytime. And that's it. Using these tips and tricks, beginners can get faster, smarter results with Grok AI. Hope this helps, and yeah, have fun exploring. Hey, everyone.